Well, Dublin Mail Centre is by far the largest mail hub we have. Regularly we have over 300 people here, probably 400 because we have extra staff coming in just in the build up to Christmas casual staff to help us with all kinds of sorting, both the automated and indeed sorting mail that isn't machinable, but again has to make those deadlines to get into cages, get onto trucks and get across the country. And we work 24 hours. When everyone else is sleeping, this operation is at full tilt to get the mail through, to get it out across the country, and indeed getting mail from across the country into Dublin. We handle about 2 million items on a regular day, but Christmas is when you really see the power of the post. We come into our own, see if that whole online element, catalogue shopping. We of course have a huge number of people living abroad now as well, so we see huge care packages and family packages being posted off to all parts of the world.
The bags of mail are then brought to the machines where they are placed and segregated by size and then sorted, and that's all done automatically at very high speed. You'd have seen through the machines mail travelling at up to 30,000 items per hour. So it's broken down to destinations right across the country, and on some occasions we then refeed those items and they'll be sorted to the postman's route. The technology is state of the art. It's as advanced as any across Europe or even across the world. And it's improving every year.
The North Pole is a very important destination for us because Irish postal staff help the North Pole Post Office and help Santa reply to over 130,000 letters from children in Ireland. They start coming in the summer holidays, believe it or not, but they really get busy sort of from Halloween onwards and then after the toy show in particular. But we try to reply to all of those letters just before Christmas, provided that there is a clear name and address on them. So all children have to do is write to Santa, write their letter, put it in an envelope, stick on a stamp and post it in an unpuffed green post box. We'll make sure it gets to the North Pole.